If you are looking for a timer on a Nothing Phone 3a, then you can easily find it by going to the clock app, for example from the app drawer. And then over here at the bottom we have timer, where we can immediately press play in order to start the countdown. This is set to 1 minute. Of course we can reset by using this button below the time. And I believe we should also be able to add another timer. So this is the 1 minute time, as you can see over here. We can just remove it if we don't want it, and then we can set up another timer. So let's say we're gonna set it to 20 minutes, and then if you press play, there we go, the timer is running, and we can see that it is 20 minutes timer by looking over here. You can start multiple timers at once, so let's say I'm gonna set it to 10 seconds, and now as you can see we have 2 timers at once. And that is all. We can also add additional minute by pressing this plus 1 minute button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!